Hi, my name's Shauna Taylor. I am in the healthcare administration track and I started exactly 2 years ago, so I graduate in October of this year. I am currently working as a trauma registrar at the hospital, and it's not a leadership role. I left the ICU exactly a year ago. I was a manager there and I did a house supervisor position, PRN. So I needed a change in scenery and sort of an exit from the environment that I was working in. So I took this position. I'm not sure where it's going to lead to. As soon as I'm done with school, we shall see. Let's see. The qualities of an effective leader for me, it starts with honesty. I believe your staff need to trust you and believe that what you're saying is the truth, and that's how you kind of build loyalty among your staff and just respect from everyone that you work with. The second one I put was leading by example. I'm a firm believer in teamwork. I think that when your team sees you out, doing all the things that you expect them to do, working hard for the department, they appreciate that and they want to work hard for you. So I think it's important to lead by example. The third one is accountability. I believe all leaders should own their decisions and their behavior. They should be able to admit when they are wrong and just be accountable for the department and the staff that work for them. Working hard is the fourth quality. It's important if you're going to take on an area and lead them, they need to see that you are willing to put in the work and effort that it takes to make a strong unit or department. So, if they see you being lazy, then what makes them want to work hard for you? And then the fifth one was to be responsible, whether that be financial or just responsible in making decisions, and then the ability to ask for help or advice when you need it. We don't all know everything, and we need to look to our peers and those who have done this type of role prior, or even just anyone. You need to be able to ask for advice and ask for help. In my personal time, so I love spending time with my family. Obviously, I'm sure that's everyone's answer. I have two children. They are 7 and 10, and so they're really busy in all activities. So I love going and watching them do what they love to do. And then reading. I like to read during my downtime. I don't do it right now while I'm in school because I can get sucked into a book and not want to put it down. So I usually wait for breaks or when I'm not in school, I like to read a lot. And then hanging out with friends and other families that, my kids are friends with or that my husband and I are friends with. We like to get together for dinners or just barbecues and stuff at the house. So that's kind of what we do during our downtime and for fun. Let's see. Okay, so a bit about my why. So prior to me going to school and making the decision to officially go into a leadership position, every job I've had, I never set out to be a leader or to take on more responsibility. It just always seemed to work that way. I think because I have a very strong work ethic, I believe in all the things that I said make a good, effective leader. I strive to be just someone that earns respect from their colleagues and their peers and their staff. When I was a manager, I really tried to do the very best. I think all in healthcare, I think our greatest goal is to provide an environment where the patients and the family members are receiving excellent quality care. So the big goal as to my why is to do that, I'm a nurse first and foremost, so I want to provide good care to the patients that seek out the facility that I work at. And as a leader, I think it's important to believe that, to want to take good care of the patients that come to your organization, and then to provide the environment that allows the staff to do that. So that is my why, and I'm excited to see other people's videos and get to know everyone and proceed on with the class. So have a good night. I will see you all later.